Hi guys, my name is Kjartan and today we are going to learn how to put up and also take together a roof tent on a car. It's really easy. First, you just have to unhinge two hinges at the back. Put both hands on the back and push firmly. Voila! Then you should be able to see the stairs. Simply pull the stair out. Look for the two hinges on each side and match it to the hinges on the roof tent. Now we're almost good to go. However, there's just one more thing to consider. Make sure to push these hinges and you're good to go. Now, simply for the part to take it all down again. It's really simple. We just do the same thing in reverse. First, pull the hinges back. Unhinge the latter. Make sure the hinges are facing upwards when you put it in. Do not close the door completely. Make sure to leave it half open or completely. It's up to you. Then, simply pull down here. Make sure all part of the tent is inside. Put the hinges down and you're ready for your next adventure. Simple and safe.